Hello everyone, in today's video, we will explore how to protect your business network with vulnerability scanning. Let's get into the video. In 2013, hackers broke into Adobe's network and stole data from over 150 million users, including names, emails, passwords, and credit card details. After this major breach, Adobe started doing regular vulnerability scans to find and fix security problems early and better protect user information. Vulnerability scanning is a process where special software automatically checks your computers, networks, and systems for security weaknesses. It helps find problems called vulnerabilities early, so you can fix them before hackers exploit them. Regular scans act like health checks to keep your business safe from attacks. Vulnerability scanning checks different parts of your business systems for security problems. It scans your network, websites, cloud services, databases, and smart devices to find weak spots. This helps you fix issues early and keep your business safe from hackers. Vulnerability scanning involves these key steps. First, decide what systems and networks to scan and set clear goals. Next, choose the right scanning tools like Nmap or OpenVAS. Then, run the scan to find security problems. After that, analyze the results and prioritize issues by risk level. Finally, fix the problems, run another scan to confirm, and track your improvements. This process helps keep your business safe by finding and fixing weaknesses early. Vulnerability scanning tools help find security problems in your systems. Nmap checks network ports, OpenVAS finds many issues, Nexpose gives detailed reports, Acunetix scans websites, and Nessus is a trusted tool for thorough network and system checks. These tools help keep your business safe. Vulnerability scanning is an automated process that quickly finds known security weaknesses across your systems, giving a broad overview and allowing regular checks at a lower cost. Penetration testing is a manual, expert-driven process that simulates real attacks to exploit vulnerabilities, providing deeper insights but at a higher cost and done less often. Vulnerability scanning helps all industries protect important data and follow rules. Healthcare secures patient info, finance protects money details, retail keeps customer payments safe, manufacturing guards systems, education protects student data, and technology ensures software safety. Regular scans lower risks and build trust. Thank you for watching. Don't wait until it's too late. Cyber threats evolve every day. Is your business prepared? Visit our website digitdefence.com.